Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Halloween Dollar Tree DIY for you. We're going to be making a coffin out of two of the coffin signs from the Dollar Tree. I just used my razor blade and cut whatever the inset is out of this. It was jack-o'-lanterns. It doesn't really matter. I just wanted the frame of the coffin because this is going to be the top of my coffin. I also just fill in the hole because I'm not going to have it be a hanging. I'm going to have it be a standing coffin, and I'm going to paint it a fun beachy blue. I like to kind of mix up my colors for fall, especially for coastal, but you could do more traditional colors if you'd like. Now for the back of it, I just need to cover it up. I thought black cloth would be best, and so I took some Dollar Tree black fabric, cut that down to size, and I'm going to cover like the back of the coffin with it. I did notice, since it has like the cutouts on there, that you could still see the cutouts when I really wanted it just to be a black background. Now, I think that one way you could solve that is to put like a little polyfill in there maybe, and then you wouldn't be able to read that, but I didn't like the fact that you could still read it. I wanted it to be plain, so I just took some black poster board from the Dollar Tree and used that on the other side, and that worked way better. You couldn't see any of the words coming through, so I just attached that with Mod Podge, and now we have the bottom of our coffin. Now to make the mummy to go inside the coffin, I'm going to use just popsicle sticks. I just cut them. They're so easy to cut with some strong scissors, and I make them a little bit wider as I go up, kind of be the shoulders, and then I rounded the top piece for the head of the mummy. I cut two diagonally there for arms to crisscross the mummy. And now it's just a matter of painting them. So once I got them all cut down to size and I liked them, I just went over all of them with some white acrylic paint to make a cute little white mummy. And now I can go ahead and put it all together inside. I wanted to have a 3D appearance, so I'm going to use those little tiny wood cubes that you get at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue one onto the back of each one of my popsicle sticks and then hot glue it down. I also made a little like triangular opening right here where I could have some eyes peeking out. I just took some more of that black poster board, put some white eyes on that with a paint pen, and just going to attach it with some hot glue so like the mummy is peeking out. And I kind of like the going back and forth with these. As you can see, I'm leaving a little bit of a space, just kind of alternating which one. It's going to give it that like wrapped appearance for the mummy. And I do that all the way down here to the bottom. And now I'm just going to attach the arms, no spacer or block on those. Now this is going to be the top of my coffin. I just have to construct some sides. For that, I'm actually using some Dollar Tree wood rulers. I love crafting with these. Just remove the sticker from them and you have a great piece of wood. I used my saw to cut down 2 pieces for the sides and 2 pieces for the top here. And then I need one for the very top and one for the very bottom. I cut those all down to size. I didn't worry about mitering the corners or anything like that. It's okay if there's a small gap. I don't really care. And I'm going to paint them that same beachy blue. I believe this is Cloudless by Apple Barrel. And now it's just a matter of putting it together. There is like a ledge there on the rulers where the stickers were, and I'm going to use that on the inside. I want the outside of it just to be plain wood, and that's the side that I painted. I just used some hot glue and attached them all to the side of the bottom coffin sign. And then the ledge works perfectly because then I can put some hot glue on that and put the top of my coffin on there. And it turned out so cool. I'm going to touch up the other side of the ruler a little bit here so you can't see that. And I love how this turned out. I think it's so creepy but cute. If you'd like more Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting and happy Halloween.